Now, showcasing all that the Coastal Bend has to offer, it's Coastal Living.
Welcome to Coastal Living. Today we are here at Healthy Back Chiropractic and I am getting my back adjusted for the very first time. I am in amazing hands by Dr. Ray here. It is wonderful to meet you today.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you for having me on your show. I expect you to have a great experience getting adjusted for the first time. I've been doing this for 29 years, so you're in great hands.
All
Are
right.
you ready to get started?
Let's get started.
And so all you have to do, Jocelyn, is just relax your shoulders and let me do all the movements by myself. You don't have to help me. And we're gonna do everything slow motion.
Oh, wow, that feels great.
There's a
Ooh.
pop. There's
Ooh,
some more.
wow.
Okay, and then we're gonna stretch the other way. There you
Whoa.
go. Relax the shoulders. There you go. Good, look at all that. Wow, that's perfect.
Wow, I feel
doesn't that feel
different
good?
already, and we are just getting started.
And now
This
we're
is
going to turn
amazing.
you sideways. We're going to do the lumbar. So you're
Okay.
going to turn sideways and face me this way to the
Yes,
left. We're going to relax the hips a little bit.
Okay.
Let them roll towards me. There you go. Let's put this foot right up here. This is the last one.
Okay.
We're going to put the hands together.
Okay.
And then drop this foot down to the floor.
Okay.
And then let me feel the hips roll towards me. There's a couple. There's a big one. Okay.
Wow. Well, it's safe to say I feel like a new woman. I am nice and relaxed. Dr. Ray, where can people go for more information?
They can come to Healthy Back Chiropractic. We're down Staples past Saratoga, right behind Discount Tire in the same strip center as Atomic Omelet. We want you and everybody else to come and see us because we can make you feel good, this good, all the time, and as well as them.
Wonderful. It was an amazing experience. Thank you so much for your time today.
You're welcome.
This Coastal Living segment has been paid for by Healthy Back Chiropractic.